I'm Jenna and Neal. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today we're going to talk about Fossil in the bag, the shoulder, kind of crossbody, Allie. Oh my gosh, the Allie Satchel. This is the Allie Satchel in the color Brandy. It says it retails for $198. Oh my goodness. I was able to score this for $83. Super excited. I watched for their spring sale, and then usually after like day 2 or 3, they will have an additional 10 or 20 or 30% off their already posted sale. However, you take a gamble if the bags are gonna be sold out, so it's just dependent on if you really want the bag or not, you can get it. So I've never seen this bag go below $138. However, I was able to score it for $83, so super excited. Of course, I had to have another color. I'm obsessed with the hardware. Check out that hardware. Oh my gosh, in the black, if you haven't seen that video, please click on it. Super beautiful, but oh my gosh, so is the color Brandy. And so I had to have it. Super excited about it. I'm still on the fence about, if you can see, it's not currently packed, but see how droopy it is and how supple it is. It's really light. The leather is to die for. I love it. Okay, so I'm a really big fan of Florentine leather, and to me this is a great option if you really like that smooth, supple, you know it's leather the minute you touch it, smooth matte style. You would definitely like this. I've been trying to figure out, because some of the Fossil bags aren't exactly the same in the leather, and so I've been trying to figure out what the difference is, because I love this. I'm like, oh, I love the way it feels. I'm not necessarily as big of a fan of these straps, and you can definitely check out my other video and we can go over that. They get in the way. Okay, so this is the shoulder bag. The straps don't come off, and you have this 2-strap option, which is great when you want to open the bag and open it up. However, it is kind of awkward. It's a weird length that I haven't really figured out. So I've been looking at shortening this up a little bit and making it more like an actual shoulder bag to really get it under the crook of my arm. I've been looking at some options, so there will definitely be an update video on this, because I haven't really decided yet. Am I bold enough to cut this? Am I really bold enough to cut this? I mean, oh my gosh. I did get it on sale, but if I screw up, I screw up. I haven't decided if I want to cut this and then do the rivets, or if I want to pull out the seam and then re-stitch it, or if I should just take it to a professional. How much is that going to cost? More than the bag? Oh, well, is that smart? I don't know. I guess if I love it, maybe. I also thought about cutting these straps off if I do go through the process of fixing it and then I don't like it. About cutting them off and then actually just finding something different. I doubt it will match perfectly, but that is a thought that has crossed my mind, because I really like this bag. Obviously, I bought it in 2 colors and I really want to make it work. So if you have any ideas, please comment down below. Any ideas, if you've suffered through this, if you've done this in the past, please let me know what you think, and or if you have any ideas, because I want to use this bag. I want to love this bag, but I don't like the straps. If you can see that beautiful Brandy, so it's not the brown, it has a little bit of red tones in it. It matches my Sydney satchel. I'll link the video up above if you're interested in that. If you really like the brown and you really like Fossil, it's a good go-to bag. Absolutely. So you need to be really careful when you purchase this bag and you're looking online. There are some of the bags that have an intricate design on the front, but be careful, because what I found is that there's actually velvet on the front and it's not that supple leather. So you really want to pay attention. I've been looking at all the descriptions and none of the descriptions say that there's velvet, but a lot of the comments are like, I didn't know I was buying velvet. So you really need to be careful when purchasing this bag, which one and which option you're choosing. So on the front right here, beautiful smooth leather. You have that Fossil logo. I love minimal, I love simple. It has that beautiful Fossil logo right there. The zipper is well placed in the middle. The zipper just opens, and then ta-da, you have a pocket, and it goes the full length of the bag. Check that out. It's aligned with a satin canvas. Okay, so it does come with the Fossil keys, so if you don't really want to show the brand, you can always remove this. I think that's simple enough. I don't feel like people know that as much, so I did leave it on there. Plus 2, this isn't really a break the bank kind of purse, so whatever. On the sides, the hardware is beautiful. You have it on the front and the back and in the middle. So check that out. Front, the inside of the bag on the side, and then on the back. So I love the bling. I love this subtle bling. I love that it's matte. It just adds fun, I think, to the bag. On the back, there's a pocket for your cell phone. It fits really nice in there. So I have the Apple 12 Pro Max, and it barely comes up here. So it goes over the pocket, but not over the edge. So it works great for me. So the middle inside has a strange top. I usually don't like bags that do this, okay? I'm not a fan of the one-sided stick outs. Drive me nuts. This one has two, which would drive me nuts, I guess. Maybe not because they're even, but it tucks down nicely on the side. So again, it helps to give me more space to be able to open the bag. I mean, the bag opens up pretty wide. Oh my gosh, I'm loving it. I'm loving it. It smells so good. So inside, you can see that it is a canvas lining. It's the same Brandy color. So on this back wall, there's this huge open slip pocket, which I really like that it's large. I can fit my cell phone in there. I can fit a slide wallet. And then on the opposite side of the bag, so that would be the back wall, there's a zipper pocket right there, and it's a really big zipper pocket. It goes all the way the length of the bag. It's great, and that's it. So I'm super excited. This must be a newer version because it no longer has that 1980s cell phone size pocket in the middle. It drives me nuts because the cell phones have grown, so we need to adapt, and it's actually bigger. Makes me super excited because nobody ever has. Okay, so I do know people that have a flip phone. If you ever come across this video, yep, I'm talking about you. But since they have a flip phone and they're not really on the internet, they'll probably never see this video, so it's really funny. Anyways, but whatever, if you have a flip phone, it'll fit in the big pocket. So join the 21st century. Woohoo! All right, sorry for the rant. The bottom does not have feet. Hi, I checked. Okay, so the bottom doesn't have feet, but it gives you an idea of how wide this is and how supple it is. It's unpacked, so it's pretty slouchy. You can fill it as full as you want or not. Again, the straps drive me nuts. It's weird. It sits just slightly lower than my Fawn Design shoulder bag. I really like the bag, so I haven't really decided where. See that? It just sits right there. I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna use it, I'm gonna try it, I'm gonna see how it works, and then opt to maybe adjust these straps. I just haven't figured out how or when. So if you know anyone, or if you're in the Las Vegas area, or if you have a really good bag retailer or fixer, please let me know because I'm interested in changing the straps. Yay, check it out. The Fossil Allie. Yay, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm Jenna Neal. Today we just talked about the Allie. Drives me nuts. Anyways, yay. No, do over. I'm Jenna Neal. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is the Allie Satchel in the color Brandy. Join me every Wednesday. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, comment down below. Let me know you were here so we can chat, we can hang out. I'm super excited. Woohoo! Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Yay!